Wow, that's awesome. Look at how comfortable she is. No stress on her face. She's doing her thing. That's a 15-seater baby. She's driving the taxi like, you know what? This is too easy. This is too easy. And I like that, and it's one of those videos that when I look at them time after time, I'm like, yeah, there will be that moment whereby I'll be taking my daughter, to those driving lessons. She'll be driving vehicles like, this is too easy because I want her to, once she start qualifying to get a learners, I want her to jump straight to it so that she can get a learners. Sometimes we need to invest to our children while they're still early. Don't wait for them to go and look for jobs later on when they're getting salaries. That's when they start learning how to drive. They start getting, learner's license. You can tell that they started teaching her, early. Let me do this because of the playing music. They started teaching her how to drive early. And that's awesome, man, because when you see how she's turning that steering wheel, how she's so relaxed, how she's changing the gear, she got this, man. And that's how it's supposed to be done. Take advantage if you have somebody who has a car, and if that person is willing to teach you, learn as much as you can, so that later on, man, because we will never know what will happen in life, man. When I look at my 15-year-old, I'm like, baby girl, I'm making arrangements. I'm making sure that everything should be set up so well so that you don't have to panic about a lot of stuff. I'm thinking ahead now, and I'm like, she should get into spaces whereby, yeah, man, whenever she qualified to get a car, whenever she qualified to own her own car, a driver's license or driving shouldn't be an issue. She should be ready, to operate and be confident on the road and understand rules of the road, understand, the road signs, and deal with controls without any pressure. You see how the sister, she's changing gears. She doesn't have to look to the gear. She doesn't have to look to the pedals. She knows exactly what to do and what not to do. And also checking other traffic. She just give one look and she's turning the steering wheel because of it's something that she's doing oftenly. And now it's like a good habit whereby she can easily drive that 15 seater. And I appreciate you guys showing me love and support. Thank you.